Hi guys, Tug Toller, Paradigm. I am here with Dee. Dee, what are we standing in front of and why are we in this different booth?
Yeah, so FilterQuick Intuition, we won a Kitchen Innovation Award this year.
KI, congrats.
Yes. Well, thanks.
Especially since I heard this is your baby.
It is. I've been working on it for a while.
All
Yeah.
right.
But we took our very popular FilterQuick platform and we have made improvements to it. So we had 3 basic design principles around making it serviceable, reliable, and innovative. So when it comes to serviceability, we're trying to have the goal of being able to replace virtually any component from the front of the fryer in 15 minutes. So an example of that, we have fry pot sensors that are in here, and we used to have a wall here, and you had to disassemble almost the entire front of the fryer to get to those sensors. Which just adds labor time. Right. But because we've made some improvements with our controller of helping with the heat factor and protecting it with enclosing it in plastic and adding a fan, we're able to remove that wall. And so now what used to take 2 hours to replace those sensors takes 5 minutes.
Wow.
So that's one of the serviceable aspects of it.
Yeah.
As far as reliability, we have changed to a variable speed filter pump. We used to run at 1 speed, all the time.
Right.
And so now we're able to run at different speeds according to the filtration action we're performing. So it helps to protect our pump from wear and tear. And just at the end of the filter process, we kind of go to that lower speed to prevent splashing.
Right.
And kind of to protect the oil.
And overall, it's a quicker process now too, right?
Yeah, it's a quick process.
You have to turn off the one unit, not both units, one unit to do your filter, but you're right back up and going easily within under 5 minutes is what I was going to say.
So,
look at that.
And that's exactly right. You can filter on one side, you can keep cooking on the other side. So that's a huge benefit. Our touch screen is another point of change and innovation. We've gone to a capacitive touchscreen with Gorilla Glass, so it's more durable.
Yep.
And we essentially walk the user through using the fryer. We have a goal of essentially the fryer training the crew on what to do. So whether they're cooking, whether they're filtering, whether they're troubleshooting an error condition, we're going to walk them through every single thing to do on the touchscreen.
Awesome.
Yeah. So one thing is we're going to be able to gather data from the fryer on what's going on. Especially in an error condition, we'll be able to see what component is the problem and what was happening in the fryer at the time that the error occurred.
Right, so it's a diagnostic.
Yeah, diagnostic. And what that helps us do is give our service personnel better data and better information so that when they go out, they have the appropriate part. And it's not multiple visits to the store to diagnose.
Don't go out there without that part.
To diagnose,
it's just
go back,
time.
get the part, come back. So we're trying to make that more effective.
So one more thing I was going to point out, this control, if you see any other well-built products, it's going to look pretty darn similar. So we have now the common controller platform that if you use a piece of well-built equipment, you more than likely can figure out the next and thereon, right? So pay attention next time you see a well-built video or next time you're in front of it, it's probably got a very similar control. Well, thanks for your time, Dee. I appreciate it.
Yeah.